til The Storm, der har sat sig over med deres instrumenter og mikrofoner, og det her nummer er jo Shoes to Tight.
Shoes too tight. Is your head too heavy for the party? Are you on your own? Do you lie awake in the night? You can hold your breath. You can run away like a quitter. You can save yourself, but your ship alone will be sinking. If your shadow walks, I will be right beside you. If you want to be, and you know the rest of me. You will ride on the ones, but you won't see me. I will be gone. Did you hurt this stocking lady? You'll never do it again.
Ja, hej, det var hyggeligt. Hej.
Is your garden green? Or did you kill the very last flower? Do you sleep at night? 'Cause your dreams are nothing but fleeting. You can ride all you want, but you won't see me. I will be gone. When you break this stocking lady, you'll never do it again. What's with me? I will leave 'cause I don't meant to stay. You hurt the last time, baby. You'll never do it again. You'll never do it again. And if I should fall, I won't mind. Some way I will find my own peace of mind. And if we should meet, I won't say anything. Someday you will see. You're not meant for me. You can ride all you want, but you won't see me. I will be gone. 'Cause you hurt this stocking lady. You'll never do it again. What's with me? I will leave 'cause I don't want to stay. Now you hurt the last time, baby. You'll never do it again.
Shoes to Tight, altså fra The Storm, Pelle og Johan, som sidder herinde med os i studiet på Højbro Plads, og spiller live, og Pernille siger lige her også til den, som står udenfor, at det er meget godt i Sverige. Men det er fedt, I er her, hej! De vinker, og vi kan ikke høre dem så meget. Der er heller ikke så mange endnu, men ikke folk, de opdager sig lidt. Det er jo meget kraftfuldt væk, synes jeg. Jeg synes, man på nettet, at man rykkede sig en lille smule i feltet der. Og så sender du den sms bare tom, og du tager bare tom til 12. Det koster sådan 10'er, og en lille sms-sans, og får du et lille blad i, og så trækker man også på den, så kig lige om lidt i venner. Du har lige en 4 minutter. Ja, men vi skal høre nummer mere fra Storm. Ja, er I klar over? Super. Take it away.
From that so much better. Is where life is. Hope is where life is. I need to believe in that things are getting better. I wanna be with you. Just to have you around. I wanna live to see that everything is true. If I could only have a glimpse of you. If I could only have a glimpse of you.
Tusind tak. Det var Storm meets The Ground fra Storm Pernille og Johan. Tusind tak for det. I kan lige vinke derude, så de kan ikke høre så meget klap, men vinke, det kan man mærke inde i scenen, og det er også. Det er det i hvert fald. Skal vi lige